Cut to the chase, to get to the point without wasting time. Example 1. We don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue. Example 2. Instead of talking about irrelevant details, he cut to the chase and explained the solution. Keep something under wraps, to keep something secret. Example 1. We're working on a new project, but we have to keep it under wraps for now. Example 2. They kept their wedding plans under wraps until the last moment. On thin ice, in a risky or dangerous situation. Example 1. He's already late for work, so he's on thin ice with his boss. Example 2. You're on thin ice if you keep missing deadlines. Through thick and thin, to support someone in both good and bad times. Example 1. True friends stand by each other through thick and thin. Example 2. They have been together through thick and thin for 20 years. Walk on eggshells, to be very careful about what you say or do. Example 1. Ever since he got angry last time, we have to walk on eggshells around him. Example 2. She was walking on eggshells to avoid upsetting her boss. Burn bridges, to destroy a relationship or connection permanently, often through negative actions or words. Example 1. He burned bridges with his former employer by leaving without notice. Example 2. Be careful how you resign. You don't want to burn any bridges. By the skin of one's teeth, barely managing to do something. Example 1. He passed the exam by the skin of his teeth. Example 2. We caught the last train by the skin of our teeth. Face the music, to accept the consequences of one's actions. Example 1. He broke the rules, so now he has to face the music. Example 2. If you lie to your parents, you'll eventually have to face the music. Read between the lines to understand the hidden meaning behind words. Example 1. He didn't say he was upset, but if you read between the lines, you can tell he is. Example 2. The letter was polite, but reading between the lines, it was clear they rejected my proposal. Steal someone's thunder, to take credit for someone else's idea or outshine them. Example 1. I was about to announce my promotion when she stole my thunder by revealing hers first. Example 2. He felt his idea was stolen when his colleague stole his thunder in the meeting.